are here at the Rizal Boulevard in Dumaguete. That this is the Gili o Kabango. So this is the Geely Okavango 2024 model. Good afternoon everyone. So ngayon I am here in the top of the mall as facing the seaside of Iscanio Beach. So just a short video for this area here. So that is Sikihor. The camera is not so clear. So I'm going outside now. We're riding the elevator going down. That is the elevator.
Pabidyo na.
So welcome.
Yeah, but
We're now at the elevator, then reverse camera.
oh, ingon ganis mama ni mo asa pa kaon ingon diri.
So continue walking, going outside. Saan siya kalanaan? Sister? This is very nice place and it's very cold. So we'll use the exit door.
Pasok among helmet nakas gawas.
And that is the top of this building, very nice. So our motorcycle parks over there. So kindly get a video of me. So that is right. So this is the building. So upstairs, this area not yet done, not yet finished. And I think that area there, that is marina. So that is what we call that, condominium. And this is the mall here. I can see Wonder. There are cars passing on this area because this is in front of the seaside.